ride, don't be shy. Jolene can't wait to meet you for a trailer park Christmas. The Trailer Park Way, with a brand new recipe every day. Sending videos from her trailer. Yeah. She's Jolene Sugarbaker. She is Jolene Sugarbaker. Come and spend the holidays the Trailer Park Way. Merry Trailer Park Christmas.
Trailer Park Christmas.
Merry Trailer Park Christmas. Hooray!
Hi there, Trailer Park fans. It's Jolene Sugarbaker, the Trailer Park Queen, and welcome to the Trailer Park Test Kitchen, and welcome to Trailer Park Christmas 2019. Actually, Merry Trailer Park Christmas to you. Wow, this has been such a wild experience. Over 25 days of videos here, straight from the trailer. And by now, you certainly know that there is a calendar at trailerparkchristmas.com that you can follow along. Actually, look back on all the recipes. We did quite a few, and some crafts too, because this year we had to save some money on some gifts, and I showed you how to do that too. Think of all the people you can impress now with all your knowledge of all these recipes, like onion ring casserole and cream cheese candy made with tea berry and quiches and hamburger stew, and wow, people will be talking about you. You will be the star of your trailer park. I loved hearing your stories and your comments. I will respond to as many as I can. Just remember that Trailer Park Christmas was not pre-filmed, and I'm filming up to the last minute on these things, and I certainly loved hearing about your traditions, sharing my traditions, and I will be back with some more videos soon to the new subscribers that are just finding out about me. I've been around for a very long time, but Trailer Park Christmas is keeping on going, and I will be back soon with those videos. I need a small break. The computer needs a break too, but don't forget, download the calendar, and there'll be more information there too about the recipes. I do update that, and it takes me a while to get up off the couch after this, but I love you all. Merry Trailer Park Christmas. Go enjoy it with your friends and family, and I will be back to y'all soon. Bye-bye.
Slap on all your blue eyeshadow. Watch out for that big tornado. Get all filled with pride in the double